Welcome to our guide on correctly installing the Arnott rear air spring for the Citroën C4 Picasso and Grand Picasso, UD and UA chassis. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful repair. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. First, raise the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel for access. Locate and remove the compressor protective cover. Then, locate and remove the airline connection at the compressor assembly to deflate the applicable air spring. Next, locate the air spring in the vehicle. Disconnect the airline by pushing inward on the connector surrounding the hose while simultaneously pulling the hose outward. This step completes the removal. Now, obtain the new Arnott Air Spring. Connect the airline at the top of the air spring by removing and disposing the shipping pin from the new air spring. Insert the airline into the fitting and press until firmly seated. Pull the airline outward to lock and ensure a secure connection. Raise the rear axle or reinstall the tire and lower the vehicle. Ensure the air spring is properly seated before inflating. This step is crucial to avoid any damage or improper functioning of the air suspension system. Finally, reattach the airline to the compressor assembly and reinstall the protective cover. Double-check all connections and fittings to ensure everything is secure and properly installed. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Arnott rear air spring on your Citroën Picasso C4. Thank you for following our guide. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Arnott for further assistance.